Welcome to our channel, where you will find a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Here, we believe in the power of self-compassion and the importance of taking care of yourself. Learn to be kind to yourself, as you would be to a friend. Accept yourself as you are, because you are unique. Find peace in the present moment and live each moment fully. Practice daily gratitude and watch your life flourish. Persist even when it seems impossible. Because failure is just a part of success. Communicate with clarity and empathy. Listen to understand, not just to respond. Manage your emotions with wisdom and understanding. Self-control leads to inner peace. You have the power to shape your own reality. Take responsibility and make it happen. See challenges as opportunities, not obstacles. Because growth occurs outside your comfort zone. Be patient, because everything happens at the right time. Because good things come to those who wait. If you are ready to embark on this journey of self-development and personal transformation, sign up now and join us. Welcome to your new beginning. Welcome to our channel.